Surely, the next few days will be a testament to the power of the collective voice, standing for human rights, for women's rights, children's rights, indigenous people's rights, peace, and so much more.
Nakita niya si Voice, I think 2017 yon. Pwede na kaya tayo mag-apply dito. So sabi naman namin, sige, subukan na lang natin, no? Wala naman mawawala sa atin, no? And that story, kung natanggap niyo yung milestone report na ang title ay Woven Dreams, nandun yung story ni Waigul, no? Yung love story ni Waigul at saka ni Voice, no?
Because of Voice, we are having a very great milestone for PACSI.
Nakikita ko po na ang gaganda ng mga artwork.
Kahit na lumipat ka sa iba't ibang table, may kita mo yung symbolization ng advocacy nila.
Nowadays, that is one of the things that we are dealing with. Yung ipaglaban yung kung ano tayo, kung sino tayo.
Hindi tayo dapat patinag o wag tayong padala sa takot.
Marami na rin kaming naging proyekto. Pero mas excited kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. We don't know where we're going, but then, excited pa rin kami.
Kung bibigyan ko ng isang salita na lang, fondest memory ko or memories sa Voice, siguro yung salitang pagsasama. Dahil ang tatatak sa akin ay yung mga taong nakilala ko. Kayo yung tatatak, kayo yung maaalala ko. Ito yung sasabihin o bibigkasin yung Voice.
Yung ginagawa po namin is for economic empowerment and economic inclusion.
We're also promoting gender inclusivity sa pamamagitan po ng pagbibigay ng oportunidad na mag-upskill ang bawat isa.
Ma-recognize yung katutubong karapatan na ipasok yung mga provision na yan.
The moment they enter the country, they will declare in immigration, I want to seek asylum. Ang immigration officer will talk with them.
Hindi namin alam kung ano yung una. Sa dami ng mga needs, iba-ibang disability, iba-iba yung concern, iba-iba yung mga needs.
A functioning democracy is built on a strong civil society and the participation of its citizens and people. We recognize that development and justice can only be effective and sustainable if no one gets left behind.
So, sabi nga, no, in a world where chaos and noise continue to prevail, finding moments of peace can be a daunting task. Amidst the insecurities and inequality, it is difficult to stand up and raise our voices in order to be heard and meaningfully participate in social affairs that matter to us.
Congratulations on the 8 years of amazing work and advocacy that make a lot of difference from the grassroots to the top. So palakpakan niyo po ang mga sarili ninyo.
Pagkatapos po na mahigit 700 na proyekto ng mga grantee partners at ng mga rights holders at libo-libong mga kwentuhang napagsamahan natin. Ito na po tayo sa huling taon.
It's about time also to witness din natin ano ba yung mga ginawa nila, ano ba yung story behind that, and at the same time, ano-ano yung mga message na kino-convey ng mga bawat artworks na yon.
This is not about us as LLF showing your narrative. These are the rights holder groups offering your own stories to a bigger audience. You don't know how much this vocation, if I may say, means to us. Hindi lang po siya trabaho. Kasi kung trabaho lang siya sa pagod na inabot ng lahat ng mga tao na nandito, madali lang magsabing wag na lang.
Pero nga, naniniwala kami that we were meant to be here. And we are meant to meet all of you, no? Dito sa Voice. Kaya tayo nandito sa gawain na to kasi hinahanda tayo for this, no? We were meant and we were prepared for this, no?
Hindi naman talaga siya closing ng mga advocacy work. Actually, mas inilagay pa natin sa isang pagtaas ng level ng advocacy na ginagawa natin.
Alam ko maraming kayong dapat gawin sa mga panahong ito, pero mas pinili niyong mga kasama ko ang bawat isa dito sa Voice.
Sobrang importante po sa akin yung mga storya niyo. Not because we celebrate also the hardships, but because I know the very essence of linking and learning is right in front of us.
For one final time, because we don't know kailan pa namin kayo makakasama, pero gagawin nating masaya, gagawin nating memorable yung moment.
Voice, nothing about us without us, leave no one behind.
If nandoon kayo sa Campfire 2023, isa sa meaningful na discussion doon is kung paano natin itutuloy yung ating grupo beyond Voice, no? Our answer to that is actually Inclusion Pilipinas.
Kasama, lahat kasali. Lahat kasama, lahat kasali.
Lahat kasama, lahat kasali.
Lahat kasama, lahat kasali.